Since the year 2018, the research label Compolytics stands for Composite Polymer Analytics, and it investigates how plastics can be used more sustainably in products. For this purpose, market studies are regularly carried out that derive strategic concepts for an effective plastics transition in industry and society. Latest studies can make a further contribution to the state of research, and Compolytics now presents its newest peer-review paper under the following title: Comparative Analysis of Sustainability Measures in the Apparel Industry. An empirical consumer and market study in Germany. This study conducted a survey among German consumers. The question was how much they would pay for different sustainability measures for clothing, especially if textiles were made of bioplastics. Get more information about the paper content from the abstract now. The pressure on the apparel industry to make its products more sustainable is growing. Concrete measures have hardly been taken so far, also because they aim to avoid consumption, which reduces profits. Studies mostly examine impacts on the environment, but not how the market volume can remain at a maximum for producers. To uncover direct market effects from sustainability approaches, this study asked 500 German consumers about their willingness to pay and preference order for 3 different measures, namely slowing in consumption or recyclability of petrochemical clothing or its production from bioplastics. An outdoor trekking jacket served as test object, and influences from socio-demographic and latent variables, as sportiness and environmental awareness, were measured. The results were mapped in a market model from which the output volume was derived. It was found that interest in the topic of plastics containing outdoor clothing was rather determined by the application. This increased with the sportiness of the respondents, but not with their personal environmental awareness. Consent to bioplastics use did not depend on the level of experience, but older consumers appreciated this option more. Only 20% of the respondents favored slowing, 26% bioplastics, but 53% recycling of petroplastics. Therefore, research should investigate recyclability and policy should promote this measure, and companies should practice take-back and reuse in new clothing. Consumers can maintain fast consumption and would even accept higher prices. This article is published in the Elsevier journal named Journal of Environmental Management, Volume 289, issued July 2021, and the author is Dr. Daniel Friedrich.